So today I show you how to replace Toyota Auris 2016 diesel. It's number plate bulbs, how to replace them. So it's a very easy and simple stuff. All you just cut the screwdriver like this, or anyone like this, just go there and you see the small hole on the side. All you just need to, this is easy way, simply, and I show you which bulb goes in there. That's very tiny one, and I show you which bulbs goes in there. Let me get these. I show you, these are the bulbs. Tiny one, 501 DW, W501 W5W. So these are the bulbs. I've replaced them already. So these are the one I can show you. Yeah, so these are, I'm just gonna throw them away. So all you just need to get the, go through very easy stuff, three stuff. So after replacing them, all you just need to go there and push it. There you go. You can see both of them, they are on now. So very easy, very simple stuff. And if you go to any one else to do that, like mechanics or anybody, like, you know, where you buy the bulbs from, they're easily gonna charge you 15-16 pound to just replace these bulbs. That's 2-second job. You can do it yourself. So thank you very much for watching my video, and if you like and subscribe my channel, thank you very much.